So this is a cheap knife from a 99-cent store. There is supposed to be a rivet here. It's actually just a piece of metal. It doesn't really go through the knife, and it came out already. So you can cut. It's just not very sharp. So this is the Victorinox knife, and it's Swiss made. And I've been using this for 5 months now, so I have not sharpened it before, and it cuts very nicely, very sharp. This is like a little paring knife. I especially like this knife. I pay maybe about 30 Hong Kong dollars. I picked up this knife in Hong Kong. It's about $450 US. I picked it up in Shanghai Street in Yaumatei in Hong Kong. Very nice paring knife. I cannot say enough nice thing about it. I haven't sharpened it once yet. Very light. No rivets, but it's held together nicely. This is one of my best purchases. So, how do you fight inflation? Well, buy a nice piece of cake, eat it, enjoy it, and you'll be very happy. And buy something worthwhile like this very nice knife, Victorinox, and it's Swiss made. Your money will only devalue. This, I think you can use it for a long time.